we will go over FortiClient as an advanced endpoint protection platform that goes beyond the endpoint to ensure enhanced security for an organization. A key part of the innovation of FortiClient lies in the fact that, as an integral part of an ever-increasingly relevant advanced threat protection solution, the FortiClient and the EMS work closely in concert with the rest of the Security Fabric architecture. Starting with the Fabric view on the FortiGate, a security administrator can easily connect the dots of where each endpoint is in the network and dig into the details of an endpoint instantly. This allows quick identification of anomalies, such as endpoint located in an improper network segment, or if it poses a security risk. The correlation between the Fabric view and the Enterprise Management Server is possible because the FortiClient Endpoint Protection Platform is fully integrated into the Security Fabric. FortiClient has been designed from the ground up to have the flexibility to be more than a standalone security solution. The FortiClient does not stop with network security, but it is fully integrated with the FortiSandbox to share intelligence and block unknown threats by bringing the power of behavioral analysis to FortiClient. Furthermore, FortiClient provides visibility across various firewall and network segments. As such, a security administrator can easily search for users across an organization to aid in incident response investigations. For aggregated endpoint threat visibility, the FortiAnalyzer provides various top-level endpoint security events, as well as the ability for comprehensive analysis and actionable reporting. This helps prioritize high-risk endpoints for remediation and further investigation. For example, once a high-risk endpoint is identified, a security administrator can quarantine an endpoint with a single click via EMS. This makes it possible to easily isolate an endpoint to stop lateral spread and accelerate remediation efforts. Once a resolution has been made, it is as easy to unquarantine the client. From this point, the FortiClient goes beyond endpoint security by allowing the security administrator to enforce endpoint compliance within the fabric to improve the overall security posture of the organization. In this example, we can specify for one of the compliancy requirements to be a particular version of FortiClient. We can also make features such as real-time protection, web filter, and etc. to be a requirement. Once the settings are applied, and if a client does not meet these requirements, their network access will be blocked. Now, there is a consistent endpoint security posture across the entire organization. Finally, the unmanaged version of FortiClient is available as a free, downloadable endpoint software for the community to protect against the latest threats at large. For organizations, the consideration to leverage the full capabilities of the FortiClient would include elements demonstrated earlier, including the Enterprise Management Server, FortiSandbox, FortiGate, and the FortiAnalyzer. FortiClient supports a broad set of operating systems to provide a wider coverage of the various endpoints deployed within an organization.